Registration is a procedure aimed at giving you the login credentials, so the user ID and password, necessary to access and use the university online services. So registration is a different procedure from enrollment, which on the other hand gives you the student number. So in order to start the registration in the university online services, you can first of all select English in the university webpage and then select Online Services. You should go to Online Service Registration, choose English again, and then click on Registrazione Web. At this point, you should enter your personal data. Please make sure that the data you enter are the same that appear on your passport. So you should write your name, your surname, your date of birth, your gender, and your nationality. Your town. You do not have to enter the Italian tax code because this is automatically calculated by the system if you click on Next. Then you click on Next one more time. On this page, you have to enter your permanent address in your country. So you should select your country of origin, the city. You do not have to indicate the zip code in this page. You should select the address though. The number, and then the validity start date, which corresponds to the start date of your permanent address at this address. If you do not know this date, enter the first day of the current year. For example, you should select your phone number, the one you have in your country. And then at this point you should select No and click on Next, because in the following page you have to indicate your current address in Italy. Please make sure that you enter the correct address, since the student card will be sent to this address in Italy. So you can leave Italy, you should select the province, the town. At this point you have to indicate the zip code, the address in Italy, the street number, and the validity start date, which corresponds to the date from which you have been domiciled at this address. If you do not know this date, you can enter the date of the starting validity of your student visa. So for example, and your phone number in Italy. You click on Next. And at this point, you should write your personal email. You should confirm it. And then choose the international dialing code of Italy. And repeat the mobile phone you have here in Italy. And in this field, you should select yes when it comes to the privacy policy. And then click on Next. Here you have to choose a password. Please make sure that it meets the listed requirements. And click on Next. At this point, you have a registration summary. Please review all the data you have entered. If you need to modify it, you can click on Edit. So personal data, permanent address, current address in Italy. If all information is correct, you can click on Confirmation. And here it is, registration is completed. After completing registration, if you are a bachelor's degree or a single cycle student, you can go on with the online enrollment, on condition that you have already arrived in Italy with a valid student visa and you have already applied for the Italian residence permit for study. If you are a master's degree student, upon completing the online registration, you have to send an email to internationaldesk@unifi.it, specifying in the subject line of the email, registration completed, your surname and name. We will add your name to the list of the admitted students to master programs, allowing you to go on with the online enrollment. Enrollment is possible on condition that you have already arrived in Italy with a valid student visa and you have already applied for the Italian residence permit for study. Both the copy of the student visa and the residence permit are necessary documents during the online enrollment.